expressions involving quadratics with the leading coefficient of 1. So our problem is x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So whenever you have a division here, remember we're going to take the reciprocal of the second one and switch this to multiply. So we're going to keep that first term, x minus 2. I'm going to go ahead and factor this. So this bottom part can be factored. I can pull out a 3 times x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 2x minus 3. Doing this, I'm taking the reciprocal over x squared minus 3x plus 2, right? And then I need to factor this term. And guys, I do recommend working vertically. It's usually just easier. Okay, so when I factor this, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to -3. And since I'm going to get a negative and a positive, they're going to subtract to -2, right? Or, well, they add to -2, but the values will subtract. So that's going to be 3 and 1. Those are my only options. And it's going to be -3, +1, because that's how they add to -2. So this is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 1. So again, two values that multiply to -3 and add to -2, and that's -3, +1. I get x squared plus x minus 3x, which gives me minus 2x minus 3. And then when I factor this one, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to +2. There are only two possibilities. They're going to add to -3. So my only possibility is -1, -2. So that's x minus 1, x minus 2. Again, that's x squared minus 2x minus x gives me minus 3x and plus 2. Right? So again, since this is positive and this is negative, I'm going to get two negative numbers. And then I'm just going to cancel things. So here I have an x minus 2 and an x minus 2. I have an x plus 1 and an x plus 1. So in the numerator, I end up with x minus 3. And in the denominator, I end up with 3 times x minus 1. And that's as much as I can simplify. And I always recommend click the fraction, put in x minus 3 divided by 3 parentheses x minus 1 end parenthesis.